The Art of Mental Toughness and the Power of Silence. Imagine a man who cannot be broken, not by insults, not by loss, and not by fear. While the world around him is in chaos, he remains as still as a mountain. Is he a god? No, he is a Stoic. Most people are slaves to their emotions, reacting to every spark like dry wood. But today, I will show you how to become the fire that consumes those sparks. Today, we build an unbreakable mind. Section 1. The reality of suffering. We live in an age of constant noise and instant reactions. We get angry at a comment, we get anxious about tomorrow, and we suffer because we try to control things that were never ours to hold. Seneca once said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Think about it. Your mind is creating a prison, and you are the one holding the key. Most people speak to fill the void because they are afraid of what others might think. But the wise man speaks only when his words are more powerful than the silence. Section 2. The core power, silence. Silence is not a lack of power. It is the ultimate form of self-control. Have you ever noticed how people lean in when someone speaks less? Silence creates mystery. When you don't reveal everything, people become curious about what's going on inside your mind. This is the Stoic secret. Your value isn't determined by how much you say, but by the weight of your words. By staying quiet, you observe what others miss. You see the hidden motives, the insecurities, and the lies. Section 3. Practical rules to be unstoppable. To master this mindset, you must follow these iron rules. Rule number 1. Never explain yourself to those who are committed to misunderstanding you. Rule number 2. Listen twice as much as you speak. There's a reason we have 2 ears and only 1 mouth. Rule number 3. Use silence as a response to insults. Nothing disarms an enemy faster than a calm, silent gaze. Section 4. The Stoic morning routine. The unstoppable man starts his day before the world wakes up. He reminds himself, "Today I will meet with interference, ingratitude, insolence, disloyalty, ill will, and selfishness." He doesn't let these things touch his soul because he knows his strength comes from within. If you want to master your mind, start by mastering your tongue. True power doesn't scream. It whispers. It waits. If this journey into the depths of wisdom resonated with you, show your support by hitting the like button. It helps the algorithm share this message with those who need it most. Comment, "I am unbreakable" below to show that you have chosen to master your mind and your silence from this day forward. And finally, subscribe to Mind Paradox to join our growing community of thinkers. Remember, the quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. Stay wise, stay silent,